Lehigh has done such a great job really understanding our culture, our strategic direction, our business needs. So we have delivered that leadership program several times over the past couple of years. We sought out Lehigh because they have this great ability to partner with organizations and to really understand the development need, and not just to give you a canned program, but to meet your own strategic direction. We've grown the partnership, and now we have an innovation and technology series with Lehigh, as well as an operational excellence series. Lehigh really takes the time, beginning with the needs assessment, to meet with leaders throughout the organization and really understand what is the development need. We have looked at a new series that we recently kicked off with Lehigh called Operational Excellence, and that focuses on the operation, the functional competencies within the operation. And again, it's from multiple levels, so that cross-collaboration has been really important for us. Our experience with Lehigh is that the programs are really experiential, meaning that they're hands-on learning, because adults don't learn by many PowerPoint slides. One of the reasons that we sought out Lehigh in the beginning was because their facilitators are not solely academic. And that's really important for us, that facilitators can draw off of true business experience and provide examples and stories and be relatable. It's more than just what's in the textbook. It's bringing those leadership or functional competencies to life. Lehigh is really good with working on defining what is that specific need, and we'll continue to reach out to Lehigh as we have development needs come up in the business.